bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin nǹkan bàbá olóyin original I'm saying at Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. Merry Christmas to you all. Mo kí gbogbo wa o. Àṣeyí sàmọ̀dún o. Happy Christmas to all my fans all over the world. All over the world. Those of you that sent Christmas money to me, I appreciate. Some people, when I told them the price of this book, 7,000, they were sending 8,000, 10,000, 12,000. Which other books do you want to buy? They say, the rest is for a recharge card. The rest is for your Christmas drinks. Ẹni àṣẹ lórí tí ò dúpẹ́ bí ọlọ́sàkẹ́rù ẹni lọ ni. I appreciate you. I do appreciate. Some people that never buy my book before, they will send the correct money, the exact amount. But after buying the books, and they try one or two things inside, they later sent money to me. Baba, you want it. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, you will continue to be blessed. Yes, givers never lack. You will never lack good things in life with the special grace of God. Today, I want to teach you how you can use alligator pepper and cat eyes. Cat eyes. You know, this is Christmas and New Year time, holiday. Many people will travel. Some people are around. They be giving you food, eating it. Some people, they don't like you. But you are the one that like them. And when Yahweh come back, there are some in-law. Yes, there are some wives. Their junior brothers, junior sisters can be building houses. But they don't want their in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law to progress. If they hear that the junior brother to their husband get new car, how they will make the person to get accident is what will be inside them. But their own junior brother, they can be building 10 houses, 20 houses. Àbúrò ọkọ ní ọgbọ́dọ̀ sórí ire lójú wọn. Àbúrò tí wọ́n bá máa kọ́lé 50, kọ́ máa kọ́lé 100. Ọlọ́run jẹ̀dá ló sá o. Now, you are visiting them. You don't know. They give you food. The food they are going to serve you is either to make you to be retarded. That is, to lower your progress. Or to make you sick. I will teach you. Because there are some food you cannot reject. But when you eat such food, it won't harm you. And when you travel to visit some relatives, when you are going back with your car, they will rob your car. Hey, save Johnny, yo. It's opposite, yo. It's opposite prayer, yo. Save Johnny, they are saying, they are wishing you accident on the road. But when we try one or two small things, you will call them, I arrive Lagos safely. Then they will be crying inside their room. Ẹkún lọ̀tẹ̀ ó máa sun. Ẹkún ayérayé lọ̀tá ó máa sun. Yoruba get power. Africa get power. It's only because of religion. We don't want to practice it. Get seated. You hear just small things today. Don't forget I'm the publisher of all these books. This is the latest book. African Power. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country. Oh, that's why you do. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country. Okay, what the ultimate? We say you da fún orí ẹ wà ńbẹ̀. African Power Part 1. This one came out last year before this one was released this year. This is only as a medicine. Only as a medicine. How to remove hatred from your body. How to use coconut water and honey. How to use bitter leaf to remove hatred from your body. That some people are now stealing and posting on their YouTube channels. Yes, how to use bitter leaf. How to use coconut water and honey. You see, this book was released since the year 2015. It was formerly in 50 Ways of Using Honey before I published it again known as a medicine book. This is solution to woman problems. You are having male, you want a female child, it's here. You are having female, you want a male child, it's here. This is a healing power of honey. You get staphylococcus. Yes, if you get staphylococcus, you will get low sperm count or knee. You have to treat it. What you can do is inside this book. This is my latest book. This is my latest book. African Power Part 2 is in the market and it's it's selling fast in the market. When I release it online on the 15th, many people say they are launching it. They said they were launching it for America, London, Canada, Japan. They were sending money. Before it was released in Nigeria on December 20. I'm appreciating. I say thank you again. I say big thanks to you again. I say big thanks to all those who said they launched this book. And some people are still launching. Some people are still promising to launch it. They are still launching. God bless you. Me ni tẹ́lọ́wọ́ yín o. Hello ni tẹ́lọ́wọ́ mi o. Sunny Adé said, bí mo bá jí ní kùtù òwúrọ̀, máa jí pé Olúwa, máa fi sínú àdúrà mi ò wípé kó má ṣe jẹ́ kí n tẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó ń fẹ́ mi. Àwọn tó ń fẹ́ mi o. Wọn ò ní tẹ́lọ́wọ́ mi láíláí. Don't forget to watch my other channels. Kini show television. Kini show television. Then my son channel. Mr. Lastborn Comedy. I used to feature there and I used to post there as well. I used to post some things that you can't see here, you can't hear here. I used to post it on Mr. Lastborn Comedy. I do see. And some people are sending gifts to me. They are sending gifts to Mr. Lastborn Comedy. They will say, this money, oh, Baba, your home is so amount. That's your small boy, yo, Mr. Lastborn. Help me give him this amount. I do appreciate you. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ràn ẹni tó tún fẹ́ràn ọmọ ẹni. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. As you are watching that channel, please help me help to watch and subscribe. Don't forget the thing I said earlier on. You want to travel and you are afraid. You are afraid. God has blessed you to have money. You should have confidence to drive your own motor anywhere. Can you drive and you go slow or hold up? Somebody will take us and snake. I say, wind down. If you don't wind down, they take cutlass to break your glass. And stupid things are there that you can do. A woman do that, then work by don't go. We told you in African Power Part 1. You do this one, you put it inside your car. One fellow what any or insurance. This is African insurance. Yes. I'm a beruman. You have money. Buy the money confidently. You use your money. Riches and visa will buy that for you. All these other boys will see you unless they want to beg for money. You are living in coward. You are coward. You fear. Don't fear. By the special grace of God, God is with you. See, when you want to go out in the morning, you call this thing Ojú Olóńgbò. Yes, see, this is cat eyes in Yoruba. Other people call it different names in other countries. In Yoruba, we call it Ojú Olóńgbò. My father used to take this one every morning before he go to farm. And when we see snake on the road, my father will just use hand. Hey, go and wait. I don't eat snake. Why do you come on my way like this? I remember the day we saw very big snake. Early in the morning, we used to go to farm by 5. We leave home by 5 a.m. so that we reach the farm before 7, before sun begin to shine. We saw big snake. My father just put us like, say, I don't need snake. Snake. We don't eat snake. He just use hands to draw it inside bush. Ọ̀wọ̀ là ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọwọ́ kókó la fi ń wọ gi òwìṣà la fi wà fún. Àìtorí gbogbo pàjá, àìtorí kíkà pàgbò. Wọ́n ń torí wérewère pòbúkọ. Bèbè ọ̀tún bèbè òsì. Bèbè odò méjì mú fojú kanra wọn. Ọ̀sán àtòru kì í pàdé. Yes! You can't say that incantation. You are not a Yoruba, but you can do what you are doing. This is cat eyes, ojú olóńgbò. This is alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. You will just take 7 seeds of this one. Either you are a man or woman, 7 seeds is alright. 7, you will break it. Take 7 seeds, 7 small seeds. The 7 of these, take water to swallow it. The second morning, it will come out through your excreta. You will shit it too. It won't work tomorrow. Let me tell you. There are some medicine that you can serve a day purpose. That is why I always laugh at some people. Mama kan rọra kí oògùn tó ti expire. You need to renew. There are some medicine. There are some this bere, all this native mark. If you do it 6 months ago, if you don't renew, it has expired. If you have rings, after 1 year, 2 years, you renew it. Ẹ̀mí kó pàǹtí kí oògùn tó ti bàjẹ́. Oògùn tí a ti fọwọ́ kàn, mi ẹ̀ ti ń dì mọ́, mi ẹ̀ ti ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí, náà ti bògùn ara ẹ̀ jẹ́. Ibi ẹ̀ ti ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí, ṣókóṣóṣóṣó, mi ẹ̀ lọ kí ọ́n bẹ̀ wọ́n, ṣóṣóṣóṣóṣó. Ibi ẹ̀ ti ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí, náà ti dọ́gbọ́n gba gbogbo agbára ẹ̀, wọ́n kó pàǹtí kiri. You swallow 7 pieces of this, 7 pieces. Then with alligator pepper, use water, don't heat it. Take water to swallow it. It's in your body. When you wake up the second morning, if you check your shit, it will come out through your excreta. Yes, agbojoki bati. It's a day medicine. If they serve you food, and that food, they do something bad to eat. Some people, they don't necessarily to put this rat poison inside it. No, you won't die. But when you reach Lagos, your business will begin to come down. If you are popular before, you won't popular again. So, but when you take this thing, bí pẹ́pẹ́yẹ bá jó òkúta, omi ni ó fi mu. Bí pẹ́pẹ́yẹ bá jó òkúta, omi ni ó fi mu. Immediately you shit this thing the second day, you will shit all those bad things for your body, by the special grace of God. And you will never get motor accident with it. I don't say you should not pray. You can pray. Pray. But don't forget this one. I told you can put this one inside your car. Put it inside your car. Oh my God, what your friend. Don't forget this one. African Power Party is in the market now. If you want to be popular, it's here. You buy newspaper, old newspaper. You buy it. When you buy it, what to do with it is inside this book. Yes, old newspaper. How to use it to get fame and popularity is here. For local, for popularity is inside this book. African Power Party 2. Yes, if you collect medicine from herbalists, you collect soap. You work for some time, it doesn't work again. If you have it in your house, don't throw them away. What do we do to the soap to revive it again? It's in this book, African Power Part 2. Sometimes, some people will say, I'm not using white soap, black soap again. Some people, you are still using white soap, it's not working. You are using white soap, black soap, it's not working. What do we do? That anytime they give you spiritual things, it will begin to work. It's here. A devil to that. There are some people, when they give them soap, they give them perfume. It will work for some time. It will not work again. What do we do is here. It's inside this book, African Power Part 2. You can get this book online. That is e-books. You get them as e-books on your email, Gmail, or on your WhatsApp. But if you are in Nigeria, you want me to send the hard copies to you. If you can pay for delivery, a courier service we are using will deliver to you within 3 days. Yes, if you're in Port Harcourt and Abuja, if you pay, we used to go to courier office every Tuesday. Every Tuesday. If it is in Abuja or Port Harcourt, you collect your book on Wednesday or Thursday. If you're in another place, you get your book the third day. Yes, within Nigeria. But those who are not in Nigeria, you can get the books on WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. My phone number is on the screen. Baba Oloyin Original. The program you are watching today is Baba Oloyin Original Television. And I'm warning those who are copying this book. They are putting it on their YouTube. Please be careful. Stop it. Stop it. What you have done for me or honor as a medicine, that you reposted almost all this thing on your channel to get popularity and fame. Your channel is not going. Do your research other ways. Don't tamper with this book again, so that you will not spend the money on sickness. If anybody tamper with this work, you will see money, but you will use the money on sickness. I saw call one woman gbé ọ̀ká kini. Báyé ṣe ń jáyé tórùn wọ̀ rọ̀lẹ́ tó ń yọ láàárọ̀. Tó bá tún jíṣẹ́ mi, tó ń lọ repost sórí YouTube channel, tó rọ fẹ́ gbowó YouTube. O lè fara rí lò ó. Owó tọ́lọ́kùn owó tó lókè rẹ̀ bá ní àìsàn ní fi wò. Àìsàn ló fowó náà wò. Èmi ò lè máa ṣe báyìí. I cannot be working. Do my own research. Then you begin to see my own idea. Coconut water and honey. You stole it. More than 5 people. I warn you. You stole my bitter leaf. You stole my coconut, this honey and the salt. You will give them different title. Then you begin to do your nka. Where did you do your research? That will be posted 3 videos in a day. You will be either you are stealing from other people's work or you are teaching fake. Comedians cannot load 3 videos in a day. Abi, Mr. Lasbro, am I telling you lie? Eh? Comedians, they will load 1 video, 2 videos in a week. But some people, they will be loading 5 videos in a day. When you see that, they say 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago, they will just come on here, loading, and when you check it, it's fake, or they are copying other people's work. Don't copy my own work again. Ẹni fara rẹ lò ẹ bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, mo fi Ọlọ́run búra, mo fi títóbi Ọlọ́run búra, àìsàn lẹ máa fowó yẹn wò. Yes, if you tamper with this book again, you spend the money on incurable sickness. Wọ́n gbé ọ káàkiri. Dánwò. Enough is enough. I've been patient enough. I'm not Jesus Christ, so. It's also Jesus said he slapped one like he put it. I'm not Jesus Christ. I'm a human being, and I'm working. I have bukata of my own. I have children. I have wife. Not Jesus Christ, so Jesus Christ didn't get wife. Oh, Jesus Christ didn't pay for electricity. Oh. So don't tamper with my own work again. Oh, le mak be nkan tèmi mọ́. Ẹ mak be nkan tèmi mọ́. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.